is Monday, September 19th, and we are watching Hurricane Fiona. Right now, Hurricane Fiona is located 25 kilometers west-southwest of Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. The winds right now are at 150 kilometers per hour, and the minimum central pressure is at 997 millibars. The storm right now is moving toward the northwest at 13 kilometers per hour. This storm is having an impact on Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, Haiti, those areas, but it could potentially have an impact on the U.S. East Coast and even for us here in Atlantic Canada over the next several days. Taking a look at the satellite image this morning, the storm right now, very well defined. We do have that counterclockwise spin, and you can clearly make out the center of the storm, and it is very slowly right now moving off toward the northwest. Taking a look right now at the track map, so right now the storm is between the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico as a hurricane, and it is going to gradually make its way toward the north, and eventually as we head toward Thursday and Friday, turn toward the northeast, and then as we head toward the weekend, could become a story here in Atlantic Canada. So this here is the track map. I want to draw your attention to the next map, because after we get to Saturday, that's 5 days from now, 6 days from now. So after that, models are not really having a very good consensus with where the storm is going to go after that. So each of these yellow lines here around the top of the map, that is a potential track, and this is just a couple of models. So some models take the storm heading toward the west, impacting western Newfoundland and into Labrador. Another one takes it over central Newfoundland, and then a few more take the storm out to sea, similar to what we saw with Earl just a couple weekends ago. So it is important to note there's still a lot that we do have to consider, and we have a couple days to get the track figured out, so to speak. But it is important to note that it could certainly have an impact on Atlantic Canada. Basically, the way these storms work, anywhere that's west of the track, we'll see a lot of rain. Anywhere that's east of the track, we'll see a lot of wind. So if the storm were, for example, to track over central Newfoundland, well, the Avalon, the Burin, and those areas would see very strong winds. And then across western Newfoundland, we would likely be looking at heavy rain. Some models are on board with that, but it is something that we certainly have to watch over the next little while. I want to take a look at some sea surface temperatures as well. So this is temperatures at the surface of the ocean. Of course, hurricanes do feed off warm water, and right now it's in an area where temperatures are at about 30 degrees, and then the mid-20s along most of the U.S. eastern seaboard, and then around Newfoundland, Labrador, and Nova Scotia, we do have temperatures anywhere from, say, 16 to 18. So a bit cooler than what we need for tropical development, but it could help it maintain just a little bit of strength. We will provide updates on this storm as they become available. You can check out our website. You can also check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and you can download our free Android app as well.